Yeah, again, I see them online, but somehow it is mute or something. Not sure.
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
Bhaskar,
Yeah,
I think you are
I'm
there.
here.
Okay.
Yeah, I've gone through about a week.
Okay, so who has done? Let me first give access to all of you. Can you show me like what you have practiced? Bhaskar, let's start with you.
Okay, I didn't practice much, but I've gone through all the video, last video.
Uh-huh.
But I know what to do a little bit, so I can walk through whatever customization.
Okay. How about Abhijit? Srikanth, are you there?
Yeah, I'm here, sir.
Okay, okay. So have you done any like practice? Okay, Srikanth, I will give you the control, and you have, take the control and create one dependency pick list. Like create two, I think what we created regions, right? Now we'll go with the country and states. So we create two pick lists. One is a country pick list and the other one is a states pick list. And then we will create them as dependent pick lists. And this we will place it on the account tab.
Okay. Yeah, I don't know. I might need some help, but I will try my best here. App setup. Let me go to fields. Kidhar bhaiya, kidhar?
I want to have this happen on the account page or for the account tab.
Account tab, right? Oh, it's I need to go to here. Setup. Customize. Accounts. So fields, right? Fields. So you wanted to create a dependency.
Yeah, between the states and countries and states.
Oh, do I need to create? This is a region and state. So is there a country new? Let me see. Controlling field. Country. Do we have country?
Country is not there. Yeah, so we need to create a country pick list.
Okay, create country. Okay, okay.
Yeah, and
then I need to go back. Go back here. Create something called new. It is okay. Non-selected is fine. Pick list.
Yeah.
Next. Next. Country. USA. India. Brazil.
Yeah, that's fine. Yeah, couple of points is fine.
Field name order is alphabetically.
No, we don't need to use the first value as default. Yeah, leave it.
Okay, now this is, oh, I need to, I leave this to everything.
Yeah, you can leave it everything.
Is that fine?
Yeah, that's fine. Yeah. Leave it all the files and click next. Yes. And also leave it all the page layouts.
All the page layouts.
And now before use, okay.
Oh, sorry.
So instead of saving, you could have clicked save and new, so that it could have got back to.
Oh, okay, okay. Yeah. I didn't know that. Okay.
But I think we already have state. I think there is a state. No, but this is
country, and you wanted to make state dependent on country, right?
Yeah, that's right. Yeah. So country, country is there. Then
Country controlling field dependent is state. Region, okay. Why is it not showing state?
just check what is the state there. Is it?
There is no.
No, what we did is we created region and then we set state as dependents for region. Right?
Region, yes. So I believe actually now state is dependent on region and region is dependent on country.
Yeah. So you make it. Yeah.
Continue.
Yeah.
Okay, save. Now how to confirm that, right? Now go to I need to go to accounts tab.
Yeah, go to sales application. No, sales application on.
Sales application.
Yeah.
Accounts. And from here I need
Take any account, recent account.
Yeah, click edit now.
Now actually to verify that, first I probably need to try to see if I can do state, if I can do a region without the country, right?
Yeah. You can click on the edit button so that you can easily see. Yeah. Okay.
I could without even giving a country. It should not let me do that, right?
No, but is there a dependence? First you check on the, click on the China. But you have not selected any.
Yeah, my understanding, what I wanted to do is, I should not be able to select region or state without selecting country. That is what I intended to do.
Yeah, so you go back to the dependence pick list. We have not selected the countries, no, in that particular regions for that country. Go back to the definition of the dependence pick list that you made. Customize and accounts.
Field accounts.
Yeah, fields, custom fields.
What do I do here?
You scroll down and click on edit button for the
country.
No, field depend. Click on the field dependencies. Yeah. There you click the country. Yeah, edit. Now you see you have not selected any. Actually,
So I should select everything, is it?
Yeah, actually we have not defined the states, right? Actually it's three state, but
this is state is coming. I'm confused actually.
Yeah, because see the way the example was to so leaving about the country and the regions, whatever we studied. Okay, let me take the control so that I will fix it. What I'm trying to do. Let's go to the dependency.
Is it?
Okay. See, the idea was just to recap. Like I want to make sure that whether we can do it. So let me delete this. This is the one which we created yesterday, last in the class. Okay, and I will delete this one also. Okay. Now let's look at what pick list do we have. Like in the pick list we have state. Okay, and let's look at the values here. So this is the name. Let's look at replace. So we already have all of these, right? So let's keep those things and create a country, which I think you already have country, right? Okay, and so now we will create a pick list, a dependence pick list, including these two fields. Click new. Now we will go to country and then state. So we don't have any actual states for India, right? So India or other countries. So we have to include those states also. For the purpose of example, we will just pick few values, right? Yeah. Now we can preview as we did last time.
The DC was selected for both countries.
Right?
DC.
Yeah, it can be. That's not a problem, right? So whatever that we are selecting, it's showing all these values. So here once I save it, then I will look at my account page. Click on open one of my this one. So now you see state and click edit. So I have a country. Then it's got only these values for state. And okay, Bhaskar, can you move this field above this from the page layout?
Sure.
So now it is showing the value like USA. It is showing these other values, but I want to have this country move like to the top and state come below this country.
Okay.
So Bhaskar, can you do that for me?
Yes. Yes, I can do.
So what is the process? What do you do? How do you do that?
Okay, this way or state should be here?
Yeah, state should be below the.
Yeah.
Yeah, and if you also observe, just be there. You have these marks, that light green arrow and red rectangle. So this shows like dependency pick lists, like country. It's when you have the green light rectangular, that's dependent field, and it's controlling field.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. So we can save it.
It's not saving, right? Oh, okay.
Yeah. Now open up the account. This one.
Yeah.
Okay. So Abhijit, can you create a date field for me? on the same account page.
Yeah. Sure. Oh, can I not create from this? Okay.
Yeah, so you should, how do we create custom fields? You scroll down because all these are standard fields, right? If you scroll down, you'll
Yeah,
see,
yeah. Okay.
yeah,
Adding up. Yeah, adding the new. Yeah.
yeah, click new button.
It's up here. Okay.
Yeah. So you can name the label as date to follow. Follow-up date. Yeah, you can write as a follow-up date.
Okay.
That is the name of the field.
Field is it? Okay.
Yeah. Label for the date, in other words.
Okay. You want? Okay.
Yeah, you can
Just
just
keeping
leave,
this.
yeah, just leave it as default. Yeah, you can click save.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, here, go back to the account page and open and see whether that is there, the date, particular date. Open account record.
Somehow don't see this. Okay. Okay.
Okay. Now, yeah, just see whether your date is there, the follow-up date. Yeah, it's here, right? The right. Okay. So can you move this date to the right side? So what you do is there's another way for you can instead of going from the setup menu, what you can do is you can click this customize page here.
Okay.
Okay, so that now you can get to the same page layout what we are doing before. Okay,
So it's like it directly enters into this customizing page.
No, cancel. Yeah, actually the next one, edit layout. Yeah, this one, edit layout. Yeah.
So is it like all of any fields and any page can be customized up here directly?
Yeah. Click on the edit layout. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. So we have got to the same page by setup, customize,
Correct.
and then yeah. So if you are administrator and if that permission is there, you can directly click about the page detail and click on the edit page so that you can get to this page layout. So move that to the
Where you
right
want
side.
me to move?
Yeah, right side, just below the region. Yeah.
Right. I'm sorry.
Okay. Yeah, save it. Yeah, how do you save it? You have on the top left corner, no, just above the fields section label. Yeah, okay. Yeah, now scroll down and see whether that is on the left side. On the right side, yeah. So it's there, file up here. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so there is one more field. Okay, that's fine. So now we'll look at another field to create, which is called multi-select. Let's, Srikanth, you want to create this multi-select field? Srikanth?
Can you hear me?
Yeah, now I can
Hello?
hear. Yeah. Create one more field, new field.
Yeah, sure.
I want to have this multi-pick list.
Multi-pick list. Okay.
Yeah, multi-pick list, and
what do you want the name of it?
like products interested.
Products.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Let's quickly pause for a while. Let's do one thing on the instead of on the accounts, we'll create it on the opportunities.
Okay.
So that it makes real relevance to creating the. So just click on the opportunities tab. No, cancel it.
Oh.
Yeah. Here is one thing, Srikanth. Just 1 second. So when we want to create, like whenever we create a field, first we select the particular object. The moment I'm into accounts, so whatever the field that I would create, it will be associated with accounts. Now what I want to do is I want to create it under opportunity, or I want to have a new field on the opportunity table with a multi-select pick list. Describing all the product like server, software. Now we can list out some of the products that we know for hardware and software, and then we'll include them in the multi-select, so that when we are creating an opportunity, the user can select, the sales rep can select some of those which the customer is interested to like buy. Okay, yeah, now you click on the opportunities link and then go to fields. Yeah, click on the opportunities. Click on the fields. Are you there? Looks like he's not there. Srikanth, are you there or no?
Yeah, I'm here.
Yeah. So I'm doing it for you. You are.
Oh, I'm sorry. I was.
Okay. You are in somewhere. Okay. So in the multi-pick list, what I want to say. Products interested. So what products we can say?
Product A. I can take it actually if you want.
Yeah. You can type in some of the software like servers and mentions EMC storage or.
Is that okay? Or?
Yeah, that's fine. That's fine. Yeah. And here's how the multi-select would work. Yeah. And you also have visible lines. That means enter like 5 lines. Enter product D and C also. D and E. D and E. And then make it visible like as 4, number 4. Yeah. And yeah, that's it. I can click next. And click next. Yeah, this is fine. You can just yeah, click save. Yeah, now open up the opportunity, any existing opportunity. Can click open, yes, one of that is fine. Yeah. Now click on the edit button.
Click on the edit button.
Just about the opportunity detail here, not here.
Okay, sorry. I don't see this thing here.
Okay, now scroll down and see where you have, okay, you have here. Yeah. So now if you remember, we made it from 5 to 4, right? So it will show only the 4 values. And if you want to see the next one, you have to scroll up and down. Okay. That's why, if you make it 3, then it will show only 3, then it will actually make it a scrollable window. If the number of lines what we enter is less than what we have as a products or the list of items. So this is how it will work. And if you want to select multiple, you click control button and you can select multiple values. So you can try from your side also. Press control and then try to select multiple products. Yeah, include all the product BCD at single time. Okay. So, yeah, Abhijit, what I want to is I want you to remove all the products from the selected values. Can you do that for me, Abhijit?
So one part I missed, Sadat, when we do this, add this customized fields, right, like pick list or multiple, how did you add this opportunities? When I clicked on new multi-pick list, opportunities came, right? So that part I missed. I mean, earlier I saw accounts when I created a pick list, then I, applied that to all the profiles, then I clicked on next. Only accounts I saw previously, but now I see opportunities as well. So how did you do that?
No, we went to customization and opportunities, right? Under opportunities, we took a fields. This one, yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
got it.
So
instead of under accounts, we took from opportunities, is it?
Yeah. So if you look at this accounts, you see various things that you can do. You can add fields, you can add all of these. Similarly, for opportunities, that's what we did here.
Okay. Got it. Thank you.
So.
Oh, sorry, I was on mute. I was talking. I was like.
Yeah.
While Shrikant was asking, I was just picking up the same thing actually. I was picking from opportunity and fields.
Okay. Yeah. Can you unselect those values what you have selected, Abhijit, from the multi-select pick list? Scroll down.
Yeah, I'm coming up there.
Yeah. Remove ABC products from the opportunity and yeah, save it. So Bhaskar, can you add all those fields back, all the products?
Sada, one question here. So in most cases, we end up doing or we end up using the multi-select pick list, right? I mean, there are instances in such kind of, especially when you have region or anything to do with sales, probably. I mean, maximum times do we use the multiple pick list? And or what is the where do you really use the multiple pick list and where not we use the multiple just the pick list?
Yeah, same example here. See, let's say if I want to buy a hardware, like a server, right? I would also look for its operating system and then maybe some virus package. So all of that I want to include as a product configuration. So then you would include the required things to set up a system, right? So that's where you would use this multi-select. And when you have only single value, or like what is the price that you would like to pay, maybe my price should be within this greater than maybe 500K or something, or $500, then you would go for a single price. This pick list and even the region, country, all those we cannot. There's no need to have multi-select, right? Unless you want services for multiple countries, then you might still look for. But again, I don't think that having countries as part of multi-select won't work, because there are a lot of other things that need to be done, right? Once we have a billing country or a country product where where it is going to be used, because there may be service requests coming from our shipping, billing, all this would be happening. So we don't go for a multi-select. But yeah, when you have multiple things to be, part of product, so we go for a multi-select. Okay. So let's
Okay.
look at another example of creating another custom field and the opportunity. Let's look at case now and create a new on the case. Let me see what already we have here. So for look at the case tab, I would have to go to call center and then click on the cases. I'll open up one of the existing case and look at what information is there. Okay, account is already there. Okay, user is there. So let me do what I want to do is I want to have a backup like agent here on this case. Now the case owner is user to trainee, right? Now I want to have include a backup agent also just in case if I'm not available, this person can look at the case. So how I can do it is there is something called lookup field. Lookup field, if I open up here, open up the case, I will able to see this account name, right? So I can define, like, I can select which for which account this case has been created. And if I go and click one of these, so this is called a lookup field or relating to another table. And with this fields, we can select another account, another account or another object. Here again a contact, so I can select another contact who has reported this case, right? So similarly, what my requirement is, he is that user to trainee is like user to trainee is the case owner. Now I want to include a backup agent also on this case, and how can do that is I want to have a like a function where I can look up the users available in the system and associate or include that on this case. So I want to accomplish that or provide that ability for the user of the system. So what I would do is again I would have to do create a new custom field on this case object, and the type is called a lookup field. So again, to create a field on a case, I have to look for the case link here and then click the arrow and click on the fields. Okay, something else is happening. I don't know why this screen came up. Okay, so I will again scroll down to custom fields and then click on the new button here. So what I have is I have something called lookup relationship. Basically, this will create a relationship between two objects. So my requirement, I'll start looking up this, and then you will see different screens come up. When we looked at pick list, it gave some screens. Similarly, for each type of field that we try to create, most of the screens would be common for the standard types, but when you try to create something special, like this, it will give a different user interface. So for this, let's see what it will show up. So I want to select which object it is related to. So I wanted to have user. I want to have user to be available, and field user, and this is related to child, to the case, right? So I will click next, and here I can write as a backup agent. Backup agent. Same. So the earlier 2 steps were different, right, compared to our pick list. No, it was giving one pop-up to select which object I want to relate. So now I click open and click the case tab again and look at here. So now if you look at this one, or I can so click edit so that it will show properly rather than just doing here. So here user, like backup agent, so I am clicking the users that I have as a user 0 trainee so that I can save it. So now for this case what I have is I have user 0 as my backup agent just in case if case owner is not available. And how I could add that is by using the functionality of adding custom fields, and in the custom fields we have another type which is a lookup relationship. So that will basically allow us to create another relate another object to the object that we are trying to add the custom field. So here now I did like lookup relationship, then it will say which object I want to link. So let me see whether I can include case also, because I can include this parent case also I can include, right? So I will then I can say it as a parent case. Okay, then click next. All the page layouts. I'm going to click open up this thing. Click edit. Then here I have a parent case, right? I can select which case is my parent case. So I can select this one. Anyway, these are some other hierarchy things will come up. But what I meant says you can use these lookup relationships to include other objects and relate them. Okay. So what I want to do is I will go back to my setup, then customize cases and fields. I'll do the field dependencies, or not custom fields, right? Not dependencies. Parent case, I will delete this one. Yeah, so basically it says some data will be deleted and all that. So that's and then backup agent also I will delete. Okay. Now let's start with Bhaskar to create the same relationship. Bhaskar, can you do that? Create a lookup field on the case. Looks like there is no control. Yeah, go to setup. Yeah, start from setup. So Srikanth, it will be your turn next, so you can just observe.
You mean to say, should I do it, or can I take second turn or third turn?
Second turn. So next is yours. So that's what I am just
Okay.
heads up, giving heads up to you so that it will be yours.
Okay.
So shall I add a new field and put the field dependencies, or?
No, click a new, create a new field, and you can say second agent, no, as a field name for the lookup relationship.
Okay. Where is one is not there, right? User, right?
Yeah. Yeah, you can write the second agent, yeah. I don't think we need to do any field dependencies here, right, Bhaskar? You're done with your lookup relationship. Just check on the case tab and see whether that is visible.
Okay.
Yeah, you're done, yeah. Click on the edit button and yeah, second agent field is there, right? Click save.
So how does this work in real world? If the user is not available or disabled, then it routes to the next user?
It won't route to the next user. It will no, because if this second user has access to the cases, then you will be able to look at that case, and then you can
Okay.
work on. See, as of now, it's not there, right? So we can see who is the backup like agent for this particular user. Like say, I am working with you, we both are working, and let's say you are going on vacation. So I can include another agent also on the cases when I'm creating, so that I can look it up and okay, me in my absence, no, in your absence I would be looking at that. So that would be a scenario. Yeah. Okay, that's fine. So Srikanth, now what you have to do is you have to click on the edit page layout and remove the field, the second agent. Click on the edit page layout on the detail page only.
Edit page layout. So I need to go back to setup.
No. Click back. From this page only, go to the page layout editor. I showed you, right? There is this one, edit layout. Edit layout link on this here.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. So once you go there, you can see the page layout palette, and you drag this field, what Bhaskar has added to the palette, the second agent.
Oh yeah. I'm trying. Yeah, second agent.
Drag to the top of the yeah.
Just drop it anywhere or top?
Yeah. Drop it anyway. That's fine. Okay. So now you save it. Save button is at the top left corner in the palette window.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. Now scroll down and see whether that field is there.
It's not there, right?
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Now you create a new lookup field.
Okay. So go to setup. cases, app setup, customize, cases. Wow, where is cases? Yeah, cases, fields, new field, new field. You have to create lookup relationship, right?
Yeah.
No, lookup relationship.
Yeah, yeah.
Go down here. Next, related to a user.
Yeah.
Next,
Yeah, you just make the field second, not in words but numbers only. Yeah, second
oh, okay.
in the field label. Yeah, there at the top. No, for the field label. Yeah, for the field label. Enter. Yeah, second. Yeah, second agent. Yeah.
Second agent.
Yeah, now for the field name, it should be underscore. So you have to do that underscore between 2 and NND. Yeah. So underscore ND underscore underscore agent.
Same here on the top.
Yeah, that's not required. That's only for the field name because it will be unique. So it should be.
Alphanumeric characters must begin with a letter.
Yeah, okay. So that is also you can make a note of it. It should be, yeah. Or you can use agent because we don't have support agent. Yeah, support agent you can write. Yeah.
I'll leave this for all the profiles.
Okay.
You want to say save a new or no dependency?
No, yeah, no, nothing is, yeah. Now check on the cases.
Okay, open the case and make sure second agent is listed. It's right here.
Yeah.
So, okay, now.
Yeah, double click.
Where is that agent underscore 2? Where is it?
No, that is it won't. That is called the API name, which is available when you are writing programming. Not it won't be appearing here.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, that is for okay.
Yeah, that is when you write a program, no, the Apex program. It's called API name. The field.
Okay.
It won't appear there. Yeah.
So, are we required to write any programs here or?
No, we don't need to write any programs. Okay, yeah, that's what I want to. So can you do me one more thing? Now go back to edit the layout. Then put back whatever Bhaskar has created that field, right? Second agent, and remove your field, whatever included. Yeah, remove this and bring back the field that Bhaskar has created.
Bring back. Okay, what did Bhaskar create?
Second agent.
Oh, he said second agent?
No, yeah, it's on the right side. Just come to the right side. Yeah, second agent in the words. Third column from the left. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, include back it in the page layout, on the page layout.
Where is? I don't know if it is.
No, it should be under case information. It's still it's there only.
Okay, now I'm trying to see, do I need to drag it at the correct
location? Yes, drag it just below the case reason. Drag
case
it reason.
Oh, 1 second, let me see, where is it? Can I go down?
So it's in
Solutions.
the first place only. It's in the case detail.
Oh, on the case detail. Okay. Okay, agent under.
Yeah, reason, yes. Okay.
Okay.
Now save it. Okay. Now give that control to Abhishek, you can take the control. Okay. Now go to setup. Yeah, go to setup and go to case page layout. From setup.
Go from
Yeah, from setup. Yeah. Go to case. From customize. Yeah, app setup customize.
okay.
Then cases page layout. Yeah, open the fourth one, case layout. Yeah. Then remove this second agent from the page layout. And bring the case reason to the right side. Case reason. To the right. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, save it. Okay. Now, yeah, do that lookup relationship one more time. Okay. So now we can cancel, right? Yeah, because that's fine. Anyway, it's saved. So go back to case and check whether your field is there. Case. Yeah. Yeah, save it. Okay. So let's create one more, Srikanth. Yeah, that's fine. Yeah. Srikanth, create one checkbox on the lead page. Setup. Yeah. Yeah. So you send video demo. That is the send video demo. It's actually send, not set, but that's fine. Yeah, can you show me the thing on the page layout? Yeah, I can save it. Okay. Bhaskar, create a date field on the leads tab. Leads page.
Okay.
So it should be next contact date. Yes, right. That is the field label name.
Hello? Sorry.
Yeah, Bhaskar, what is it your place?
Yeah, my daughter fell on the ground actually.
Oh, is she okay? Okay, Abhijit, you can do the same thing. What is doing? Create a date field.
Okay.
Yeah. So make it as next date field, next contact date, and give that as a label name. Next contact date, yeah.
Can you repeat?
Next contact date, yeah. No, date. Yeah, enter next contact date, yeah. I can just give some description. Okay, click next. Save. Okay, now show on the leads page. Yeah, click edit. Yeah, so enter some date. Yeah, so this is what you see. Once you click that, it will show some like create a widget with the calendar. This one, yeah, you can click save. Please. Bhaskar, are you there? Yeah, so click on the edit layout. Abhijit, you have a question?
Yeah. Let me.
You want me to edit layout?
Yeah. So make this field required. So how we do is we click on this wrench, click on the wrench thing, and check that required checkbox. Okay, now yeah, just save it. Okay, click OK, no, and yeah. Now just see, the moment you make a field required, you see a red star here next to the field. So that means yeah, just save it, save the layout. Now yeah, try to save this. Click edit on the lead, not here. Yeah, you remember now it is changed to red color. Earlier it was not there, right?
Okay.
Yeah. Now if you try to like remove this date and try to click save button and see what happens. Yeah. So you must enter a value. So this is how it will be once you make it this one. So in the next class we will try to we look at how do we make it. You must enter a value. Instead of that, we can do some of our custom message also, how to enter, and then how do we write our own validation rules depending on some other values. So that we will look into in the next class. So this is all on the fields for today. And what I would like you to practice, if you get a chance to pick up these leads tab and opportunities accounts, and try to create, I think, other types of field types, especially the standard ones here, like checkbox, currency, try email, you can try number, percentage. These are all regular fields, and try to create text long. It will take long, large text. URL when you create it, you can create a link to a website. Okay, so we will look at all these others in the next coming classes. But yeah, you try to create some of these fields. Yeah, looks like you're not getting time to practice on, I believe, right, everyone?
Yeah, this time I will do it.
Yeah, yes, if you are practicing or looking at something, that is also fine. Just if you create only at least once, you will get to see what are the different screens that will show up. Because what we have seen for creating a pick list type, it was showing a different screen like this compared to when I try to create a lookup relationship field. So it's a different lookup. So like that you can figure out when you are trying to create a different type of fields, how it is showing up. Okay. So actually, yeah, this is all static mechanical, but the thing is, if you do more number of times, then it will make you feel comfortable in creating custom looks fields on each object. And at the same time, what you would have to observe is look at the standard fields that are already available, because when you work as administrator, when you work on customization, the customer might ask a field which might already be visible here, like it may not be available on the, let's say, for the account object on the tab. So we see all of these fields, right, from all of these, and some of these fields may not be here. When the reason what I mean to say is, here if I look at the edit page layout, see, I still have some of these central, this field is there, customer portal, SIC description. These three fields are still not available on the page layout, right? So if you know the standard fields that are available already, with the system, then you will look at them first before you create any custom field. The only job would be just make it available on this page layout. For example, just what I said, this SIC, the customer might ask, okay, I want to have the SIC description as well on my screen on the page layout. Then you already have SIC code here. But if you know the standard fields, or if you are knowledgeable about the standard fields, then you don't need to create the SIC description as a custom field. You can just drag it and leave it here. That will be available. Yeah, and as I said, you can look at help. Here, look at the help for this page. So it will show a lot of the available text fields. You can look at and read up more that is related to that particular page that you are working on. In this case, the page layout here. So it will show up the related information if you need to know more. Okay. Any other things? Any questions from your side? Otherwise, I'll stop today for this class.
Yeah, one question I have, Sada.
Yeah.
So in this layout thing, we can always drag and drop the fields back and forth, right?
Yeah. Yes.
Okay. For every thing.
Yes. Yeah. You can do the drag and drop, and also one more thing, what you can experiment or try out is like buttons which are here. You can maybe delete, right? You can remove the delete button.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, you can keep trying some of those things what you have, and related lists. So I have contacts. I can remove these open activities. I think we need to have like cases, right? So I can remove the cases section. So completely when I look at the account page layout, I don't see, but usually we'll keep it. You can bring it back. So buttons like as already showed. So you try to create, and if you want to keep your own copy, what you can do is you can click on the save, and then it will show up as on this down arrow. If you click, then you click save as. So you can give your own name, like if it is Srikanth, right? I can give your account layout and save it, so that it will be your page. So you can just do a lot of things. Experimenting, and then you can remove all the fields. Like, see, to remove a field, you click on this black with the light line in the middle. So it will remove this particular field. So you can remove all the fields on this. Right. Okay. Now I'll save it. So this is your layout, and you have to have this. See, still it shows all the fields, though I removed some of those because the page layout is not part of the profile of this user, because this user profile is system admin, right?
So standard, does that mean that some of the standard ones we cannot remove, or standard remains like that? Or?
No, we can remove, but the best practice is to leave the one which we get as it is, and make copies so that you will have a reference just in case. So you edit and save as, because even when you work on a project, you will have naming conventions like what to name it as. It like, say, for example, if the project name is Sage, so Sage like one layout. So you can like this, you can save. Yeah. So then you can easily experiment on this field, just in case if you forget something, or if you want to make a copy again, you can go back. So it will show our Sage also, but you can keep all these as intact. That comes from Salesforce. Yeah, but you can save this also without creating a new one. But for profiles, we have to create the clone the standard profiles. But for the page layout, is not required. You understand, Srikanth? You remember we tried to customize the profiles. So for that we have to clone the profiles and then do this one.
Yeah, got it, sir.
Yeah, okay. So any other question from Bhaskar and Abhijit? Otherwise, we'll wrap it up here.
So this application has a lot of customization, right?
Yeah. So yeah, there could be significant customization that need to be done also. Okay. Then. So again, so on Saturday, how is it? At 8 o'clock you want to have it, or I think this week should be fine, right? For everyone at 8 o'clock in the morning.
In the evening, right? Oh, I thought let's do it in the evening. Actually, I have other commitment in the morning on Saturday.
Okay, so we are not going to change, right? So we'll make it in only the evening every week.
Yeah, I'm fine.
Okay.
I'm fine.
Okay then.
I'm fine either ways. I'm fine.
Okay. Okay then. Okay then. Bye.
Thanks.
Sure.
Bye.